How's it going, everyone? Michael here with 15 Cent Pressure Washing. Right now we are in Killen, Alabama. You see that there's a lake behind me. We're out at a lake house. We're going to do a lot of exterior cleaning here. We're going to wash the house, the boat dock that we're on now. You can see how it needs some touching up. We're going to do all the concrete here, the driveway, pool deck, diving board, sidewalks. We're going to do a lot of cleaning here. We're going to clean the balconies. I'm going to walk y'all through and show you everything that we're going to clean, get an eye on what it looks like now, and then what it looks like after we have finished cleaning. We've been looking forward to this clean, and we're excited to show y'all what we got going on here. So stay tuned. I'm about to take y'all through and show you what it looks like now. Alright, so here we have the lower tier to the boat dock. You can see there's a lot of mold growth through there, right? We're going to treat all this. We're going to eliminate all the mold. We're going to come back through and wash it all out. They didn't want to do a paint removal through here, so we're just going to soft wash the steps. Pretty much just get rid of all the mold and dirt. You can see us through the sidewalks through here. The retaining walls, retaining wall there. There's a lot of mold here. We're going to get rid of all this mold, all the dirt, mildew, get this place back in shape, looking new again. Look at all that mold there. We are going to clean the top tier of the boat dock. We're going to show you guys this view we got right now. It's a beautiful view. We're also going to spray off all the outdoor furniture. Check it out. Tell me that's not relaxing. Very, very relaxing. And here's the house. We're going to do all of the house, all the side and all of the brick, balconies, window trim, everything on the home is going to get cleaned. And right now we're walking into like a little patio. You see all this through here. We're going to get all this cleaned up. It's going to look amazing again. Outdoor furniture, we're going to clean that as well. Clean the bench. We are going to do the wall around there. We're not going to do the rocks, but we are going to do the wall. This little wood decking, that's going to get cleaned as well. Let y'all see the view once again. I can't get over the view. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful at night too. Here's the sidewalks. Now this sidewalk runs, that's Brent. Say what's up, Brent.
Yeah.
We're gonna get through here and do the pool deck as well, but I'm gonna show you all the balcony real fast. Now the upstairs balcony is just like the bottom balcony. Now all this through here is gonna get soft washed. We're not doing a paint removal, even though it needs it. See that there? Get all through there. All that underskirting. You see there's a lot of mold growth here. You know, it's right off the lake, so this place stays moist. Mold's gonna grow pretty quick. It's not gonna be here much longer, not with 15 Cent. Retaining wall, we're gonna do that. Steps. All of the pool deck, we're gonna wash the pool deck as well. Check them out. We're also going to restore the diving board. We're going to get this thing back in its natural condition as much as we possibly can. Brent, jump in the pool. Ah! Yep, so we're going to do all the pool deck. You know, all the brick's not bad, but there are spots that have mold. You see, like through there, there's some mold. All right. Get all that cleaned up. We're also going to wash this fence. We're going to treat it. There's a lot of mold growth through there. If there's mold, we're killing it. See all the soffit has a lot of spider webs and debris and stuff that's in there. We're gonna get that stuff cleaned up really well. Right now we are heading to the front of the lake house. There's more of the north side of the house. And here's the driveway we're gonna be cleaning. As y'all know, first we will treat the driveway to eliminate all the mold and mold spores, and then follow through with pressure washing. It's gonna give it a lot longer of a clean. And it's about the only way to clean it to actually remove as much staining as possible and to help prevent staining. And there's the beast. So this is pretty much it, you guys. Got the ladder set up. We're about to get up into that balcony. We're going to start there after we've treated all the sidewalks and concrete. There it is. All right, y'all, so that's what the lake house looks like before we got our hands on it. We're really looking forward to getting this place cleaned up. I hope y'all enjoy the footage. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, we have finished cleaning this lake house in Killins, Alabama. We've done the boat dock, we've done the house, we've done all the concrete, the retaining walls, the balconies, we got it all cleaned up. And now it's time to take y'all in and show you the aftermath of our cleaning. Let's get to it. All right, so first off, we have the lower tier to the boat dock. If y'all remember, there was a lot of mold through here. Black, green. Looks like new wood. You know, a lot of mold is going to grow here. It's right off the lake. There's a lot of moisture, you know, but it cleaned up really good. You can see through here there's still some stain that's there, right? Now they're going to come back through and restain this whole deck here. Let's head up to the top. Now keep in mind, we did not pressure wash these steps. We did a soft wash. So we cleaned all this at really low pressure. Look at that retaining wall. If y'all remember, that thing was black. Sidewalk. Amazing. Concrete looks new again. Oh, we're going to take y'all in there in a minute. Where we blasted all the paint that would come off of this boat dock. We've removed it. They're going to come through and repaint the boat dock as well. We sprayed off all of the furniture. There's that amazing view again. Beautiful. I'll tell you, it was really fun cleaning this boat dock. There's one of those visuals I was telling y'all about that we got to have here. Really nice. I'm gonna head up through and head to the patio. It's one of my favorite sections of this cleaning. Really enjoy cleaning it. Look at that retainer wall. Remember, that retainer wall was black too. House cleaned up really good. Look at these pavers, man. We brought these pavers back to life. This bench was black. Everything cleaned up really, really good here. It's that pond decking. Say hi to the alligator. He floats. We were playing with him there for a while. All right. Look at that sidewalk. Amazing. Now we did do the stairs, the railings through here. We did all of it. We soft washed it. They're gonna have this scraped and repainted. Did all the underskirtings on the balcony, door trim, floors. We did all the pillars, and we also did the balcony upstairs as well, which is pretty much the same as the lower balcony. And we're gonna head into the pool deck. Man, this place is cleaned up really good. You can definitely tell that 15 Cent has been at this property. Look at that. Y'all remember that diving board was black. Look at it now. Now see this wall here, this fence. This wasn't in the before video, but we did clean it. We also cleaned this little retaining wall down through there too. I wish you would have had this in the before video, man. This thing was moldy. Look at it now, it looks brand new. Remember through here, there was quite a bit of mold built up on the brick, so we treated all the brick through here, eliminated all the mold, followed through with the rinse, gutters, soffit, fascia, windows trim. We also sprayed really good behind the shutters. A lot of dirt daubers like to get back in there. So it's important that those areas get sprayed out, get all that dirt and debris back from in behind those shutters. Remember, this fence was covered in mold. We cleaned the fence, cleaned up really good. Now through here, there was a lot of dirt daubers' nests and wasps' nests. So we hand removed all the wasp nests, sprayed away all the dirt daubers' nests. You know, we try to be as detailed as possible here at 15 Cent Pressure Washing. Now we're heading into the driveway. I mean, you can already see a massive, massive difference within the driveway. Just look at that. It's really brightened up. Cleaned up really good. There's the beast. Here's the front of the house. Cleaned up great. There it is, y'all. This was a really fun clean for us. We really enjoyed it. Got a lot of awesome visuals during our cleaning processes. We provided amazing results for this customer. We also want to thank them for choosing 15 Cent Pressure Washing for their exterior cleaning needs. Now, if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. You can also go to our website, 15centpressurewashing.com, if you're interested in an estimate. Fill out our estimate request form. We get back to people fairly quickly. Or you can give me a call directly at 931-446-1031. I'm here to answer any questions y'all have. I want to thank y'all for watching this video. Stay safe and have a blessed day.